get to super fast, we have to start at adagio. Pat the beat on your lap slowly. Moderato. Now pat the beat on your tummy a little faster. Allegro. Now pat the beat on your shoulders even faster. Presto! Now reach your arms to the sky and shake your whole body! We did it! We're flying super fast!
Look! There's the little monkey stuck in his tree.
But the hot lava is starting to come out of the volcano. We have to stop it.
Rocket knows what to do. We can use one of his rescue buttons to spray cold water on the lava. That'll make it stop. Which button should we use? The rescue hose button. Yes. When I press the button, say, rescue hose! Rescue hose!
It's working!
The cold water is cooling the lava.
Uh-oh, but there's so much lava coming out of the volcano. Yikes! Rocket can't stop it all by himself.
He needs our help.
Don't worry, I have a plan. We can do a rescue hose dance to help Rocket spray water on all the lava. Come on, hold up your rescue hose. Now, spray the water from side to side, like me. Side, 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 side. That's it. Now spray the water up, down, and all around in a big circle. All around. Now help me do the whole thing. Side, side, up, down, all around. It's working! We're helping Rocket cool the lava. But the lava keeps getting closer and closer to the monkey's tree.